Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS5 to a Vizio TV. Ensure your PlayStation 5 console and Vizio television are completely powered off. Next, place your PlayStation 5 console within a comfortable distance from your television. Have your power cables and the provided high-definition multimedia interface cable ready for the connection process. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and safe setup for your gaming experience. First, take one end of the high-definition multimedia interface cable and firmly insert it into the high-definition multimedia interface out port on the back of your PlayStation 5. Then, connect the other end of this high-definition multimedia interface cable into an available high-definition multimedia interface input port on your Vizio television. After that, plug the power cable into the console and the television, ensuring both are connected to a working power outlet. This forms the essential link between your console and display. With all cables securely connected, it is time to power everything on. Start by turning on your Vizio television using its remote control. Next, press the power button on your PlayStation 5 console to activate it. Using your television remote, select the correct high-definition multimedia interface input corresponding to where you plugged in your PlayStation 5. This crucial step will display your console's output on your Vizio screen. Once the PlayStation 5 interface appears, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete any initial console setup. You might also explore your Vizio television's picture settings to enhance gaming visuals, perhaps activating a game mode if available. Fine-tune your PlayStation 5's display and audio settings for a truly immersive and personalized gaming adventure. Enjoy countless hours of high-quality entertainment on your new setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.